The question of the day is from Jessica. She wants to know, when I zoom in on the computer, my photos aren't crisp. What do I do? Well, there are a lot of reasons why your photos might be less than crisp. I'll go through a few things for you to check. First, what type of camera are you using? If you're using a point and shoot or an older DSLR, you might not have the resolution available to zoom in a lot and maintain crispness. You have to keep your expectations realistic. And what lens are you using? Lens quality could be a factor. Prime lenses are typically sharper. Keep in mind, though, that if you are shooting at a wider aperture, your lens might not be very sharp when wide open, so keep an eye on that as well. Make sure your shutter speed is fast enough to prevent motion blur, either from the subject moving a bit or from the camera being handheld and just moving a little bit in your hands. Similarly, check your ISO sensitivity. Images will get grainy at higher ISO numbers. It depends on the camera how much grain you're going to see and at what ISO number though. Now, with the exception of motion blur, you should ask yourself how important the crispness really is. Don't get me wrong, it's great to have a super crisp image and, there's something gratifying about being able to drill down into the nitty-gritty and see how the, crispness holds up. But really, how crisp do you really need the image? Every situation is different, but don't fret too much if you have some grain in an image or, if you can't crop to some tiny portion of the larger image. Think about, what you're actually using this photo for and, how deep you really need to get into it to maintain that, sharp, crystal clear image. That was a great question, Jessica. It's one that I do actually get very often, so keep those questions coming, everyone.